Sir, one step forward. Okay. Now mga mom, sir, okay na ang gagawin nyo lang para ma-meet nyo itong last na animals natin ay... Okay, raise your right hands just like this. Sus, Mario Joseph! Pinagbuha ko lang si Lolong doon sa likod. Kuya, gapos ko muna siya mga kaya. Gapos nyo! Okay, raise your right hands. And then, okay, hanapin na natin yung mga mahal natin sa buhay at mga kaibigan. Tayo magpaalam na. Pagka ito na yung huling pagtigilan natin. Bye everyone. Wait, goodbye from loved ones and friends because this might be the last meeting. Bye. Oh, just kidding. Joke lang po yun. Okay, ang gagawin niyo po ay labas yung dalawa ninyong kamay. Okay, medyo tigit-tigit tayo yun. Bakit magkasya eh. So, tigit-tigit. Now imagine what's on their hands. So apart from the anaconda. Okay, sige sir, hawakan mo. You know guys, so this one is the 6th biggest snake in the world. And it will reach length from 30 to 33 feet long. And it weigh up to 500 up to 1,000 pounds. Now itong hawak po nila isang albino formis python. Ang being an albino, may kakulangan po siya ng melanin sa kanilang balat. Kaya sa nakikita niyo po, yung matingkad na kulay na yan, yung white and yellow. Okay. And much more, dahil sila po yung albino, sir, tignan mo ang kanyang mata ay kulay pink o kaya pula. Sa Tagalog sila po ay araw. Hindi ba tayo na boss? Naku, mas maganda yung buha mo ngayon. Alam mo kung bakit? Kasi ilipat naman natin. So yun naman yung ulo. Yun naman yung ulo. Yun. Pero one fascinating fact about pythons ay malabo daw po ang kanilang mga mata. Yun lang paano nila nakikita yung mga kinakain nila. Dito naman po sa kanyang nguso. Meron po siyang 6 na butas. Bilangin natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, nagsisilbi po na parang infrared scanners. Kung baga sila po ay may 6 sense. At ang ganda nila, di ba? Ayaw ilabas. Silent sisalbi ng paningin. Pandinig at sa kapanlasa nila. Hawakan niyo muna, mga mansyon. Hawakan niyo muna. Okay, and now folks, that you have met all of the animals here in the park, well, this is the right time to talk about them. Now the reasons why these animals are here, because they serve as ambassador for their own species and the environment that make up their home. They are here so that we can appreciate their beauty, their intelligence, and the dangers they face in their natural habitat. So we hope that you enjoyed this presentation on behalf of myself, the Baluarte staff, and of course of our amazing, our wonderful animal friends. Maraming salamat po. Enjoy your stay. Okay.